If you want to set or download live wallpaper from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we'll open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our wallpaper and style section. So press change wallpapers. In here you can do this from gallery, colors, or wallpaper services. So here press dynamic lock screens. Here you can see pre-installed dynamic lock screens, or you can press themes and press wallpapers. And here you'll find a lot of different cool wallpapers. Some of them will be paid, some of them will be free, but most importantly, you will find whatever you need. So let's search for it. Make sure that it has this video inside them. It means they're live wallpaper. And let's check for some free cool wallpapers. So, alright, I found some. Now simply press apply. It will be applied to your home screen or lock screen as was intended to. This one is intended to for lock screen unluckily, so let's press done. And now we can find it on our lock screen. And as you see, it's working good. It has a live wallpaper mode, and basically that's it. Also, keep in mind that you can always find some live wallpapers applications in the Google Play Store. So open up your Play Store, press live wallpaper. Choose from any of the application, and the process is gonna be pretty much the same. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.